Porsche 997 Generation 2 DFI 3.6. Today I'm doing the spark plugs. I've done the left hand side's already done. There's the old spark plugs there, so part of the exhaust is going to come off. But because I've got the rear bar off, so it's much easier because I had to take the rear bar off to do the actual PCM upgrade for the reverse camera. So that's the reverse camera there. It's all labeled up. Wiring, all the insulation is done. But I'll show you what I found on this side here, right hand side. I'm taking this off so I can do the actual spark plug. Sorry. What I found is the rear O2 sensors, which is that one there. It's not even tight. It's just loose, very loose. So that means I can actually, someone's done the spark plugs 4 years ago and forgot to tighten this up. So what I'll do is I'm going to check all the O2 sensors on this side and that side, make sure they're all tight. Finish the spark plugs and then I'll put everything back. But while I'm here, I'll show you the PCM as well. So all the back has to be removed, and the side panel as well on this side here, removed as well, to run the wiring. So the wiring's here, as you can see, it's all done properly as well. So I'm going to put some extension for the actual insulation all the way to the back here for the wire. It comes through here, comes down here, it's all done here underneath there, and goes to the front there, and that's your new PCM there. Alright, I'll do another video for the PCM, but not now, but this is just a quick show. Okay, thanks for watching and please subscribe.